Agriculture is demographically the broadest economic sector and plays a significant role in the overall socio-economic fabric of India. Increasing agricultural productivity, profitability and sustainability in India largely depends on the ability of rural population to adopt changes and innovations in their use of technology and environmental resources. Expanding farmers' capacity, therefore, depends on their access to knowledge and information. We would like to bring to farmers in India what Arnab Goswami brings to us on Times Now, day in and day out. Facts and figures, food for thought, data that will help farmers analyze their farm's capability, enablers that will help them boost productivity in their farms. How do we do this? We intend to bring to the farmers a handheld solution, a user-friendly mobile application called iKisan that can stream to them information and data to understand how to better their farming practices, educate them to explore alternate yielding ways of farming. The app will also allow to feed data on their crops' yield so to help them compare with a benchmark. What does this app mean? To the farmer, it's a ready reckoner and an aid to help him make his presence in the market, a guide to increase crop yield and productivity, showing him the path to scale his territory. To the investors towards this novel idea, this means a steadily increasing population of the app users who are the core contributors to the GDP of India. With a seed capital of close to 2 crores, investors will see a steadily declining customer acquisition cost because 30% of the farming population today owns mobile or smartphones. With government support, soon there will be a considerable population in the wireless network too. Increased affordability with rising income in the farming community will also give way to increased usage of this app. Upselling and cross-selling these customers to vendors from fertilizer industry, farming equipment industry and insurance companies via advertising channels through this app will lead to an increased lifetime value of a customer. Farmers are a very closely knit community and customer acquisition will not be a bigger challenge. Friends, iKisan intends to address the agrarian crisis in India, a noble social cause aimed at increasing profitability for farmers and thereby our venture. Thank you.